Newstep, Wuxi, Electrical System Technology Company Limited is an enterprise specializing in industrial connection technology. The company was established in Wuxi, Jiangsu Province in 2016, mainly engaged in M8, M12, M16, 7/8 connector wires, industrial Ethernet cable assemblies, industrial buses, etc., providing customers with comprehensive and professional connection solutions. Through one-stop manufacturing services, customers can obtain advanced manufacturing technologies and customized product solutions and services according to their needs. In the fields of autonomous driving and Industry 4.0, our products are widely used in new energy, high-speed railways, automotive manufacturing, intelligent transportation, and intelligent manufacturing, gradually playing a crucial role in the industrial connector industry. All of our products have passed CE, RoHS, and IP67 tests. We have obtained ISO 9001 system certification and implemented the 6S policy, effectively ensuring product quality. Our slogan is, "Connecting the world, as much as possible." Our global business continues to grow. We welcome partners from all over the world to join hands with us and achieve success together. If you are interested in our products or have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. We can provide the catalog, prices, specifications, and technical drawings.